Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at two stocks that stand to benefit from the rise of artificial intelligence. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we are talking AI. As you may have noticed in the headlines today, NVDA recently reported earnings and has absolutely spiked. Previously at $305 per share, the NVIDIA stock is currently up 26% after reporting their most recent earnings. And that jump up is not just because of an earnings beat, but because they did have some really impressive second quarter revenue guidance. The company is now anticipating $11 billion, well ahead of about the 7.1 anticipated by analysts. And they say the reasoning behind this is growing demand that has been sparked by AI. NVIDIA's CEO said that generative AI has been an iPhone moment and that all of the technology came together and helped everybody realize what an amazing product that can be and what capabilities it can have. And already today, reiterated buy ratings have been pouring in from analysts. One Wedbush analyst said that for any investor calling this an AI bubble, we would point them to this NVIDIA quarter and especially the guidance, which cements our bullish thesis around AI and speaks to the fourth industrial revolution now on the doorstep with AI. So far, we have 10 different analysts coming in with reiterated ratings today, many of them with some healthy double-digit upside all the way up to 56%. And I did notice we have a lot of 5-star analysts weighing in on this stock. So that got me thinking, and I did what any normal person would do and spent the morning combing through the rating history of all top-ranked tech analysts. And I started to notice something when looking at all these 5-star analysts that had recently put a buy rating on NVIDIA. In the list of recent ratings, we start to see a few names appear several times. In fact, there were two tech companies that both had several recent ratings from 5-star analysts. So today we're going to take a look at those two companies, how they're involved with AI, and what analysts are predicting for their stock's future. First up, we have a stock that showed up on majority of the top tech analyst profiles that I looked at. That is Analog Devices. With a market cap of $87 billion, trading under the ticker ADI, the stock is priced at $173. The stock did see some solid growth in the half of this year, up 8.5% over the past year, but has fallen off here lately. Analog Devices is a global semiconductor leader. They bridge the physical and digital worlds to enable breakthroughs at the intelligent edge. ADI combines analog, digital, and software technologies into solutions that help drive advancements in digitized factories, mobility and digital healthcare, combat climate change, and reliably connect humans and the world. On the artificial intelligence side of things, the company has come out with a new line of ultra-low power AI MCUs. They say that the previous ones were too slow to effectively process images and make decisions in real time, but enter Analog's new line of AI microcontrollers. They run AI inferences hundreds of times faster and lower energy than other embedded solutions. This allows small machines like thermostats, smartwatches, and cameras to deliver on the promise of AI. The company anticipates a serviceable addressable market of over $6 billion by 2027 as they see increasing technology complexity aligned with secular growth markets like EVs and AI and machine learning. Now, it was following their recent earnings report this week that caused the stock to drop off. Now, they did come out with an earnings beat and revenue of over $3.2 billion, grew 10% year over year, but there was some slight weakness in their future forecast. Their CEO said that looking to the second half, we expect revenue to moderate given the continued economic uncertainty and normalizing supply chains. However, I am confident in ADI's ability to navigate short-term business cycles due to the strength and diversity of our franchise, our hybrid manufacturing model, and alignment to secular growth trends. For their third quarter, they expect sales to be between $3 to $3.2 billion, so that midpoint was just below the $3.16 billion that analysts were expecting. But despite that soft future guidance, we still have plenty of 5-star analysts sticking with their buy ratings on the ADI stock. Overall, the stock comes in as a strong buy based on 15 buys and 3 holds. With an average price target of $207, that would be an upside potential of about 20% from current prices. And here we can see all of our 5-star analysts coming in with those reiterated buy ratings. We do have a couple holds that still have upsides of 12% and others ranging around the mid-teens to mid-20 upside potential. One analyst noted that the long-term value proposition for Analog Devices remains clear and robust, as high-performance analog semi-IP is scarce, and the company's acquisitions will drive revenue and cost synergies through a cycle. And the second stock I noticed on several top tech analyst lists was Marvell Technology. They are actually reporting earnings later this afternoon. The stock is also on the rise today in NVIDIA's tide. Trading under the ticker MRVL, the stock currently has a market cap of $41 billion and is priced at $48 per share. Now, they are down nearly 10% over this past year, but have seen growth of 9% in the last few months. Marvell Technology is another semiconductor company. They first revolutionized the digital storage industry by moving information at speeds never thought possible. Now, with leading intellectual property and deep system-level knowledge, Marvell's semiconductor solutions continue to transform the enterprise, cloud, automotive, industrial, and consumer markets. AI is driving larger and larger workloads, and to address this, Marvell has announced two new pieces of silicon, Nova and TipRanks 10. Their TipRanks 10 optimizes AI, machine learning, and data center network fabrics. They also tout the benefits of using the Nova and TipRanks 10 in tandem, saying that in deploying both, data center infrastructure providers can leverage common firmware, software, and linked training schemes to speed deployment and achieve faster time to market. As the AI and machine learning industry continue to grow, the demand for DSP, or digital signal processing, will increase as well. They're expecting to need 2x the speed every 18 to 14 months. In their Q1 earnings report this afternoon, we'll be looking for revenue of $1.3 billion. On the earnings side, we'll be looking for earnings per share of 29 cents, which is a decrease from last year's of 52 cents. In their last earnings report, they missed expectations by 1 cent per share. But that didn't deter Wall Street analysts, as the stock currently comes in as a strong buy with 25 analyst ratings. With an average price target of $56 per share, that would be an upside potential of over 16%. Now, we don't have as many recent ratings on this one, as we will have many reiterate following that earnings report, but we do have several top analysts coming in the last few days with upsides between 9 and 44%. One analyst noted, "We think Marvell's stock can reverse course and begin to outperform the sector. This reversal can be catalyzed most importantly by cloud-optimized customer ramps in the first half of 2024, but also by fruition of customer inventory depletion." So there we have two stocks that could stand to benefit from the rise of AI, all with buy ratings from some top-ranked tech analysts. Of course, there are a lot of great AI-related companies out there, so let me know your favorites in the comments down below. Please keep in mind that these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just to bring some new ideas to the table and kickstart your own research and due diligence. Please make sure you're always sticking to your own investment plan. If you made it to the end, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.